In this video, I will show you how to remove unwanted background music or audio from video. So without wasting your time, let's start the video. Step 1. Go to Google Chrome browser and go to podcastadobe.com. Link is in the description. Then upload your audio from your file. Then wait for loading.
And it's 49.
Then click on enhance speeds. Turn on enhance speeds. Then click on download. After loading, then you can use your sharp audio for your video or your speech. This much for today. Until next video. Bye bye. See you on next video. Bye. Peace.